So guys, for the first method, you want to close Discord. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, click on the arrow, you want to find Discord. Or you might have it right here. Once you find Discord, you want to right click on it, and then click on Quit Discord, which will then close Discord. Once that's been closed, you want to unplug your input devices that you're having a problem with, then you want to plug it back in again. Now you want to reopen Discord, and then see if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now once we're here, go to the recording tab. Make sure that your input device is enabled. If it's currently disabled, you want to right click on it and then enable it. Also, you want to make a right click on the white space. Make sure that you have show disabled devices ticked and show disconnected devices also ticked. If you see any of your input devices, make sure that it's been enabled. So again, right click on it and then you want to enable it. And then click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure that your input device is up to date. Let's say it's my microphone. I'm going to expand audio inputs and outputs. I'm going to find my microphone. I'm going to right click on it. Update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, your input device may come with a software like my one does. If it does, then you want to go to your input device and then go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for your input device through the software. See if that works. For the next method, you could try doing a restart of your computer. Come back into Windows, see if that works. For the last method, you can uninstall and reinstall Discord again. To do that, go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on this, scroll down until you find Discord. Click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Discord. After you uninstall Discord, just reinstall it again either from the website or from the Microsoft Store. Hopefully this will solve your problem.